Hello and welcome. Today we will see about different types of orders which are present in a trading terminal and how we can use those orders for our benefit. Let me quickly share my screen. So this is a screen of Zerodha trading terminal. This is a share of Tata Steel. The different types of options which we have while placing an order of Tata Steel are market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, and stop loss market orders. Now, the market order is an order which we place when we want to buy the share of Tata Steel at that very instance without any bargaining. The price at which our order will be executed will be the first price in the offer side. Now let us see the chart of Tata Steel. If the Tata Steel share is trading at 1124 but I want to buy the share at a lower price, that is I want to buy a share at 1111 rupees, then I will place a limit order. In it I will place a limit order of 1111 rupees and I will place a buy order. Since the market are closed, the order won't be executed as of now. But what does this order imply is the order is placed with the broker, and whenever the price of Tata Steel will reach 1111 rupees, my order will be sent from the broker terminal to the stock market and it will get executed. Now what are these SL and SLM orders? SL, as the name suggests, is a stop loss order and SLM is a stop loss market order. We use mainly these options when we want to limit our losses in the market. Suppose I have bought a share at 1122 rupees and I want to take a risk of only 5 rupees. So I will place a sell order of stop loss of 5 rupees. So it will be about 1117 rupees trigger price and 1116 rupees execution price. The trigger price is a price at which my order will be triggered and will be sent from my broker terminal to the stock market, and the 1116 is the execution price at which my order will be executed in the stock market. I can place the stop loss limit order to limit my losses according to my risk management and money management rules. What is the difference between stop loss limit order and stop loss market order? In stop loss limit order, we give a trigger price as well as an execution price. But if we want the order of stop loss to be executed as soon as the price reaches 1117, then we put a single SLM order. That means that whenever the market price will reach 1117 rupees, my order will be executed. This is the difference between market limit, stop loss limit and stop loss market order. Now one benefit of using a stop loss order which many people don't know is using stop loss limit order to buy at a price which is higher than the current market price. If the stock is trading at 1124 and according to my analysis I want to buy the stock when it crosses yesterday's high, then I will place an order of stop loss limit buy order at 1100 and the yesterday's high was about 1135, so I will place a trigger at 1134 and an execution price at 1135. This ensures that my order will be placed into the system, and whenever the price reaches 1134, my order will be sent from the broker terminal to the stock market and it will be executed only when the price reaches 1135. What will happen if I simply place a limit order at 1135? The price at which I will get the shares will be closer to the market price, which is 1124.50 paisa, and my order will not wait till it crosses yesterday's high. So if I want to buy at a price which is trading higher than the current market price, I will use a stop loss buy order. So main difference is, if I want to buy at a higher price, I will use a stop loss buy order. Whereas if I want to restrict my losses and use risk management, then I will use a stop loss sell order. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.